Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Cottagecore aesthetic from house home decor ideas. Let's dive in. Cottagecore aesthetic from house home decor is a charming blend of two popular styles, Cottagecore and Farmhouse, that together create a cozy, nostalgic, and nature-inspired living space. Here are some practical and creative tips to enhance a cottagecore farmhouse aesthetic in your home. Layers of textiles, mixed quilts, knitted cross, lace curtains, and crochet pillow covers. Use natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and wool for an organic, cozy feel. Play with subtle floral patterns or gingham checks for a romantic cottage vibe. Bring nature indoors. Keep potted plants, herbs, or small indoor trees to create a fresh, green environment. Use natural wood and stone elements to mimic the outdoors inside. Embrace vintage and rustic finds. Look for distressed furniture, antique vases, and retro kitchenware. Upcycle old furniture with light pastel paints or whitewash for a farmhouse look. Add small vintage touches like old clocks, mirrors, or wooden braids. Use open shelving. Display pretty dishware, mason jars, or oven baskets in kitchens and living rooms. Keep things organized, but allow small imperfections for a lived-in, cozy feel. Soft, romantic lighting. Use lanterns, fairy lights, candles, or soft glass lamps. Avoid harsh overhead lighting. Soft and warm tones enhance the cottagecore mood. Personal handmade touches. Crochet pillow covers, embroidered table runners, or DIY wreaths add character. Personalized touches make your home feel unique and inviting. Create cozy corners. Add a reading nook with a comfy chair, throw blankets, and a small side table. Use window seats, benches, or simple floral cushions for relaxation. Even a small corner can feel charming with layered textures and natural light. Stick to a soft, muted palette. Cream, soft greens, pastel pinks, muted blues, and gentle browns. Use darker wood as accents to balance light tones. Keep patterns subtle and complementary, not overwhelming. Mix textures thoughtfully. Layer wood, wicker, linen, cotton, and metal for visual interest. Combine smooth ceramics with draft pottery for rustic charm. Incorporate subtle patterns, soft florals, gingham, and delicate stripes work well for cushions, curtains, or tablecloths. Mix small scale patterns with larger neutral surfaces for balance. Showcase natural light. Keep windows minimally covered with light, airy curtains or linen panels. Mirrors can reflect sunlight and make a room feel larger and brighter. Place cozy reading nooks or dining spots near windows for natural warmth. Layer decor in groups. Group small vintage items like ceramic pitchers, candle holders, or jars together for charm. Use rustic wood accents. Reclaimed wood shelves, side tables, and beams add farmhouse authenticity. Try whitewashed or lightly stained wood to keep the space airy and cottage-like. Wooden cutting boards, trays, or utensil holders can double as decor and function. Play with soft, cozy lighting. Lanterns, fairy lights, or candle clusters create an intimate ambience. Bring in farmhouse practicality. Messengers for storage, baskets for blankets, or wooden crates for organizing toys or books. Use practical items as decor, like hanging copper pots in the kitchen or stacked firewood by the fireplace. Decorate with seasonal elements. Spring, fresh flowers, pastel cushions. Summer, dried lavender, light rose. Autumn, pumpkins, warm toned rose. Winter, pine cones, candles, cozy blankets. Personal touches and DIY crafts Crochet pillow covers, embroidered table runners, or handmade wreaths add authenticity. Frame raised flowers, vintage postcards, or old recipes for wall art. Keep a relaxed, lived-in feel. Imperfection is beautiful. Slightly worn furniture, mismatched chairs, or layered textiles make a space feel cozy and approachable. Mix old and new. Combine antique furniture with modern conveniences subtly. Feature a statement piece, a farmhouse-style dining table, an antique cabinet, or a vintage armchair can anchor a room. Choose one larger item per room and build decor around it. Create cozy reading and relaxation nooks. Add a small armchair, fob, or window seat with layered cushions and blankets. Incorporate natural scents. Use dried lavender, rosemary, or eucalyptus for natural fragrance. Go for soft, vintage artwork, botanical prints, old farm sketches, or nature-inspired paintings. Utilize open storage creatively. Open shelves in kitchens and bathrooms for dishes, mason jars, or folded linens. Display neatly but casually. Items don't have to match perfectly to look charming. Mix metals sparingly. Copper, brass, or antique gold accents work well in lighting, hardware, or small decor items. Thanks for watching the video.